All right, here's a short introduction about your project, creating art with equations. All right, so you're going to log on to Desmos and you can title your graph something unless you want to keep it untitled. If you don't have an account with Desmos, you can create an account right here. You can sign in. So if you create an account, it's going to give you that information. If you just want to sign in, again, sign in with Google. So what's going to happen is you guys are going to create art through all the different types of equations we've come up with. Hyperbolas, circles, square roots, absolute values, all that wonderful good stuff. And it can be equations that we've never worked with before. We do need to have some trig in it. And really what you're doing is you are using your domain and your range and trying to make the picture look like something. Right? So for instance, if I type in a line, right, y is equal to 3x plus 2, and I don't want all this line, what I can do is I can restrict my domain, and I do have to use inequalities. So say I only want my domain to start at -2 and go to 0. So I would say -2 less than x less than 0. I'll close my bracket, and I'm done. So I have my graph. So maybe I want to make another line. So maybe y is equal to -3x minus 2. Or actually, let's do plus 2. So that way it's crossing. So maybe I want something symmetrical. This time I only want to go from 0 to +2. So at the end, 0 less than x less than 2, creating art. Right? Maybe I want a circle. So x squared plus y squared is equal to 6. Right? Maybe not 6. Maybe I want 5 or 4. Oh, that looks like a good one. Right? Maybe I want the whole circle for that because I'm trying to draw something cool in the picture. Okay, whatever you're trying to create, right? Once you've finished creating your art, you're going to share it with me. Okay, and how you'll share it with me is through the share the link. You'll copy this link and you will email it to me. Once I get your email, then then you're good to go. So there's different things that you can do. So here's some sample art that people have done in the past. Right, so somebody created art like this. Right, I can zoom in, I can zoom out. Right, looks like a little alien and a ship and a boat. Right, rays coming out, all that wonderful good stuff. Somebody else created this picture, so you can see all the different types of equations, right, that this person used. Notice that this person only used black as their color, which was fine. Right. You're also going to see this. You can also put images in your picture, right? So notice how close that person got with all of their drawings. That is perfectly fine. All right. Here's another one, right? What I like about this person is they put all of their different types of equations in a folder for me. So I can be like, all right, let me look at all my lines. And I can see all the different types of lines that this person created. All the different absolute values, only one, maybe circles. There's a few of them. And the picture doesn't need to be 100% perfect. So notice that their lines are going up, where this person's lines are going down. All right, so have fun, be creative with it, and best of luck.